Good morning, student. Welcome back in my next class. Today we are going to discuss on the topic front office accounting system in the hotel. See, the front office accounting system monitors and chats the transaction of the or transaction of the guest, business agencies and other non-guest account using the hotel services and facilities. See, there is a flow chart is there, that is the front office at hotel, back office at hotel, daily report, corporation of office daily report is there, then the consideration daily report is there, then the account payable is there, account receivable is there, in the guest ledger and the statics ledger, the guest ledgers and the static ledger is there, then the financial statement is there, then the consolidated final statement is there, that is there. Then the front office accounting system tracks financial transactions through the guest cycle. The front office accounting system ensures internal control over cash and non-guest cash transaction. The front office accounting system records settlement of all goods and services being taken by the guest. Then come to the accounts. An account is a form on which financial data are being accumulated and summarized. It is a record of charge and payment. Adding a charge or a payment to the account is called posting of the account. A charge that is posted to the customer is called a debit and the payment is called a credit. Means the charge, suppose I had a 1 cup of tea, the charge which is posted is called the debited and the payment which I have made is called the credit. When a debit is posted, the amount of the debit is added to the account. When a credit is posted, the amount is subtracted. The additions and the subtraction in an accounts are calculated and the result amount is the balance amount. There are two type of account maintenance by the guest front office department, that is guest account. A guest account in the front office accounting system is to record of financial transaction between a guest and the hotel. It is created by the guest granted that reservation or during the registration. The front office usually speak payment for charges during the guest departure and settlement stage of the guest cycle. Then that come to the next topic, that is called the non-guest account. A hotel may extend in-house charges, privileges to the local business or agencies at a meaning of promoting or to grouping a sponsorship meeting at the hotel. The front office create non-guest account to track their transaction, which will be called as the house account or the city account. Now come to the folio. The front office transactions are chattered on the account settlement called folio. A folio is the statement of all transactions, debits and the credit, affecting the balance of the single account. There are basic 5 types of folios used in the front office accounting and maintaining with the front office accounting system. First is the guest folio. Account assigned to the individual guest or the guest room is called guest folio. Then come to the master folio. Account assigned to the more than one guest or the guest room, usually applicable for the group account, that is called the master folio. Then the next topic is the non-guest or the semi-permanent folio. Accounts assigned to non-guest business or agencies with hotels charge purchase privileges is called the. Then next is the employee folio. Accounts assigned to employee with charge purchase privileges. Then the next is the split folio. Account assigned to a guest on his or her request to split his or her charges and payment between two-person folio. One to be recorded expenses to be paid by the sponsoring business company and the other to record personal expenses to be paid by the guest. In these cases, two folios are created with the same guest name. That's all about the topic. Like if you want the more detail about the split folio, suppose that you are the guest of SBI Bank and they used to give only the accommodation and breakfast complimentary to you. In addition to that, you have taken maybe lunch and dinner, means, and when you have taken lunch dinner, that is also posted in your account. That during the time of checkout, then you cannot ask them to split the folio before you are going to check out, or when you are checking in the hotel, you have to ask them to split the folio, means that the room charges and the breakfast will be taken care by my company, and that is lunch and dinner amount will be paid by me. You have to make the separate folio, that is called split folio. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you, student.